I'm going to show you one of our Ralston quick test valves. This is the Ralston quick test valve fitting. It has NPT on both ends with a blocking valve and a Ralston quick test connection in between. Install this between your gauge and your process for quick access to your gauge for testing and calibration without blowing down your system or removing the gauge. To test this gauge, just block the process by closing the isolation valve, remove the cap, then connect the Ralston quick test hose from your calibrator with just your fingers and perform a calibration on the gauge. Let's apply about 40 psi or 3 bar pressure. This valve provides a secure connection up to 3000 psi or 210 bar pressure. The Ralston quick test system makes a quick leak-free connection thanks to an integrated O-ring pressure seal. And these fittings won't weep like some other brands. When you're done, if you forget to vent off the pressure with a valve, the Ralston quick test connection will safely self-vent instead of blowing off. Replace the cap on the quick test connection and bring the gauge back online by opening the isolation valve. These valves come in brass or stainless steel, so if you have chemical compatibility issues, such as sour gas, then use our stainless steel models.